All right, what's going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to talk to you about how to increase your conversion rates in e-commerce, just using a couple of quick hacks and tricks that we've done. This is a client who, basically was trying to run another agency last year. We still work with them right now, but we're doing a lot of restructuring right now with all their stuff. But this is where we really had a huge spike. And we did about 1.3 in February to June, which is about 3 to 4 months. They had 1,150% hike and a 28% hike in conversion rate, a 9% hike in AOV, 1,000% hike in orders, and a 20% hike in returning customer rate. I want to go over all the things that we did to increase that conversion rate. And that conversion rate doesn't even account for all the abandoned cart recoveries that we had. So just going to show you around here. So first off, what we did was we built another centralized landing page. So I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, I'll open that another page, and then also I'm going to show you text card. Okay, so these two apps really play hand in hand with what we've been able to do here. So we used a custom lander. Okay, and this was their highest converting offer, and we made a centralized landing page around this. A lot of people run traffic to a product page, and it does decent, but when you turn it into something that's going to convert at a higher pace, you have more compelling copy, more reviews. It looks way more professional. You explain the whole product, what's included, more reviews, the mission, and then the 3 possible buys. You're gonna have a higher conversion rate, and then you address those FAQs, right? So this is a better centralized lander that doesn't let them, click all these other menus on your website, like about us, contact us, more collections. Like, your ad is talking about one centralized offer. You need to make sure that when they get to the lander, they only see this one offer. They're not seeing 85 million things. They're not able to click on all these buttons, this opt-in, this live chat thing. Like, it confuses people and overwhelms them. That's why when we run centralized landers, they're faster load speeds and they get the offer. It's centralized. They can digest it better. So on top of that, that's really massively helped. And then our abandoned cart recoveries. So since we started with them, we have been just absolutely crushing it with the abandoned cart recovery rates. So what I mean by this is that when people go to checkout and they don't wind up buying, what do we do to get them back in the ecosystem to increase that conversion rate and that average order value? So we send them SMS automated text through AI, through text cart, and here the average order value is higher on the abandoned carts. We've recovered over 1,062 orders lifetime for a total of $424,000. $424,000 that they never would have made unless we implemented a way for them to increase their conversion rate, get more higher quality buyers in their ecosystem, and recover those abandoned carts. And that's the power of having this entire sales process in place. A lot of business owners don't understand that there's a lot more to the e-com game and the lead gen game than there already is. They think that they're one funnel away, they're one ad away. You are not. Okay, you need to have all these other things in place. And when you sign on with a marketing company or a growth partner or ad agency, whatever you want to call them, you are getting bought into ad management. That is not the only way that you grow your business, okay? Because you're going to get the same results. It's a definition of insanity. You're going to keep doing the same thing over and over again. Just managing campaigns, that's it, is not going to get you a better result. The creative is not the reason. The problem is that you don't have a good, irresistible offer. You're not making it hard for your prospect to say no. Number 2 is you don't have a good landing page. Your product page is terrible. Number 3, your ads are not structured well, and then that's where you really can dive into creatives and profitable campaign structure, and your tracking's off. Number 4 is you don't even know your LTV. You don't know your backend KPIs to make sure what makes your ads even profitable. So hope this gives you a lot of context. Some other things for increasing conversion rates on landing pages. Number 1 is reviews. Social proof is key, and obviously giving social proof that's relatable to your ideal avatar. Number 2 is pay over time options. Number 3 is free shipping. And number 4 is just like the secure checkout buttons, also FAQs. And then number 5 is going to be storytelling, your mission, about us, the story behind the owner, stuff that people can obviously embody in themselves and it's relatable to them. Okay. It's not always about the, hey, I was poor and now I did this. And no, that's the same old story over and over again. Having that uniqueness to the marketplace. So we have a new client who just signed on who sells watches, and he was talking about how he's trying to get these watches into space, and he's gonna work with Tesla on this Mars thing. I'm like, dude, how have you not put that on the landing page? You know how fucking unique that is? So many business owners and especially e-com clients, they don't think their story is unique. because they don't know how to relate it to their ideal avatar, because they don't know how to do copy. And copy is a skill that we use, and we don't just do ad management only. I will not do that because that's a shitty agency. If I focus on your offer, your landing page, your ads, and your backend KPIs, you can't lose unless you fail to communicate. So that's kind of what I like to stress to people when I show them stuff like this. Like, yeah, you can increase your conversion rates, but at the same time, if you're not doing the other 4 pieces, how are you going to make more? You're only depending on ad spend. And if you only depend on ad spend, your ROAS will always be low. So keep that in mind. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. If you want to book a call with me and my team, link is in the description. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.